Radio, 24-hour voice of the National Weather Service. The preceding signal is a drill done in cooperation with the Emergency Management Offices as it tests a public warning and alarm for transmitters in the west central and southwest Florida listening area, originating from Ruskin, Florida. This is a tornado drill. It's only a test. And school citizens are encouraged to review their tornado safety plans, confirm their ability to receive weather alerts by NOAA's radio, and practice moving quickly to the safest location within a structure. The best location to shelter is often on the lowest floor in a small interior room far from windows, such as a closet or bathroom. For more information, visit our National Weather Service and Ruskin website at weather.gov/Tampa Bay. Also visit Alert Florida, which is a statewide notification initiative to learn how to receive emergency alerts and other public safety notifications within your community. Their website is alertflorida.com. The same systems will only alert your county or county particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday, besides today, between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 and 8 p.m. unless due weather threatens. This concludes the test. We now return to regular programming.